Welcome to the milkshake bar.
So Luke's going to make custom milkshakes. We went to a place called The Yard. We've been to 2 yards.
In Alabama and Panama City. They're both on the Go For It game.
Yeah, that's right. We have videos going there. So Luke's going to make fancy milkshakes, kind of like how they do it.
Yeah.
So do you want us to order?
Okay, what you do first is you order the cup, then you come over here and then you'll order the ice cream. Then I'll give you the choice of a milkshake or a blizzard. I forgot the name for a second. Okay, so these are like blizzard type of toppings. So all of this is like type of blizzards.
Okay.
And then all of this over here is for milkshakes. So who would like to come over first?
I need to think about what I want because they all look so good.
I think I know what I want.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Can I have a chocolate? Can I have a chocolate blizzard?
What size?
Small.
Even Lola's watching.
Oreos and sprinkles.
So Oreos and sprinkles?
And maybe a few of the mini cookies.
Okay.
Ooh, and chocolate milk with it.
So we go with that first, and then we put the lid on. Then we grab some chocolate,
A lot of chocolate.
and then we do that,
Oh, this looks delicious.
and then we put that back. Then we put the lid on. Oh wait, I forgot about that. Wait, what did you order again?
So I want some of that, and maybe some sprinkles.
So Oreos.
So Oreo, and let's go with 2 cookies.
And Lola's like,
And then anything else?
I mean, maybe a tiny bit of normal milk, and then probably that's it.
Okay. And then we looked at that, and I added too much ice cream, and then when I dumped it in, I was like, an overflow. So basically,
This
you
is
do
going to
that.
be really fancy.
And then
You would probably like working at Dairy Queen or Culver's. Where you could make these all day.
And then we take that off, and then we dump it in.
Or if we
Oh, that's it.
lived at Panama City Beach or Gulf Shores, you could work at the yard. We make fancy ones all day.
So we do that. Then we do that. Then we put that there, and then a giant Oreo. And then
Wow.
and then
You're gonna need a large spoon.
A little mini pretzel just like.
I showed
Wow, that is a milkshake.
wait.
Okay. I've decided I want a medium with chocolate ice cream
Okay.
and pretzels and caramel.
Okay. So pretzels and what else?
Caramel.
And caramel.
You can add some chocolate syrup too if you want.
Okay.
This is going to be very chocolatey.
Chocolate milk.
And then caramel.
That'll be really good with that.
That's a lot of caramel.
Yeah.
And then we get that. And then
Ooh, that looks good.
That's a lot of caramel and chocolate. I bet everybody at home's getting hungry.
now, since that wasn't a lot, we're going to put chocolate ice cream on the top.
I think everybody should subscribe. If you're watching this and wishing you had a milkshake, you should subscribe.
Oh my gosh.
That looks good.
Will's like, what's happening?
Lola wants a milkshake.
Lola wants in on it. Lola's like,
Wow, this is a fancy milkshake.
Ooh, it looks good.
So I'm requesting the best one you have.
okay, so we have, for the best one that we have, it comes with cotton candy ice cream. It also comes with pink strawberry syrup. It comes with this. Wait, it's in the milkshake?
Whatever you want to make me.
Okay, so is it, what size do you want?
I'll do medium.
Okay.
So this will be delicious. How do you come up with all these good ideas all the time?
Sometimes I just look it up on Google and just go through images and I'm like, ooh, that would be great with like, and I come up with like other stuff from it. So it comes with strawberry milk, so let's dump that in. It also comes with some of strawberry syrup.
Wow.
It comes with a little bit of some pretzels. Just a little bit. And then a tiny bit of mint. For an extra,
Peppermints.
for an extra kick.
Luke has been in the kitchen crushing candy canes, crushing all these different kind of candy bars.
So basically, this is what I call this is the unicorn. So put that in there, and then we grab some of this, and then we dump a little bit of pink milk. And now we dump the mixture into it. So now we go with the whipped cream. And we dump some of this in there. Then, so we're gonna go with So we're gonna put that on that.
Oh my gosh.
Then
Oh my gosh.
we go with a few pretzels.
This is gonna take forever to eat this.
A pretzel surprise. Then we go with some rainbow sprinkles. And there you have it.
Oh my gosh.
And then that's how you make the unicorn milkshake.
Nice. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So Luke just made me one with Butterfingers and Reese's and Oreos, and I had some cookies in it too. Full of chocolate. Yep, I am really full now. Good job, Luke.
You're welcome.
So please subscribe to our videos.
Mm-hmm.